Hello, welcome back to Curls by Sharlene. Today I'm going to show you a very quick and easy hairstyle that you can do as a protective hairstyle or a back to school hairstyle or a summer hairstyle. This is just so easy, and it's basically just 4 plaits. I start off by sectioning my hair into 4. I then neaten the parting because it's always better when it's neat, obviously. I thought I really need to start doing protective styles because my hair's been falling out so much that it just needs time to relax and not have a wash and go every single week. I mean, that's great, but because I'm going through this postpartum issue, it's in desperate need of TLC and a lot of love. It's freshly washed and detangled. I just constantly detangle because it's so much easier when your hair is detangled to do a plait. You don't want to plait your hair that's got full of tangles. It just causes more problems. So the product I'm using is the Shine and Jam Stronghold. I've never used this product before, so I'm hoping that it will work perfectly. And I'm also using the go-to, which I always use, Eco Styler Argan Oil. So this is what it looks like. It's clear. This is the Shine and Jam, and it smells really nice, actually, really nice. It's quite a thick consistency. Actually, it's very thick, very thick. So if you got fine hair, you probably won't want to use a lot of this on your hair. I don't have fine hair, but I have a lot of hair, and I didn't need a lot of product. When they say that dime size was probably enough for that whole quarter section of my hair. It really is stronghold, this product. As you can see, I'm struggling with my parting. Eventually, when the product is in the hair, then I redo the parting and it's a bit easier. The cost of the Shine and Jam is only £6.99, and that's pretty good with honey extract. The size of the container is only 8 ounces. Well, it's quite a lot. That's 227 grams. So it's a fair amount of size. And as I said, you don't need to use much. So it's pretty good for value. It also says it's 6 hold. So the extra hold is on 6. So it's not the strongest, but it's not the weakest, like the middle section. But wow, I thought this was excessively strong. I felt like this hold did its job. So all I'm doing is a natural plait, the standard 3 pieces, the outside over the middle, so left over right and right over left. Easy plait. It doesn't take long at all. And yeah, that's all I'm doing. You could do a cornrow, you could do a fish plait, you could do a braid, a Dutch braid. It all depends on what you'd like to do, but I wanted it to be simple and easy. I didn't want too much manipulation on my scalp or too much strain or pulling on the scalp because my scalp is so fragile. The amount of hair that I'm losing, I need to be so careful. But a plait is good because, you know, helps with growth. A slight tug at the scalp is okay, but I didn't want anything too tight, just gentle and easy. I have sped up the video. I'm not that fast at plaiting. I wish I was, but I did time it. Each plait only took me about a minute and a few seconds. So the plait for each one. So really, what, 5 minutes it takes to plait your hair? That's besides the detangling, the parting, the adding of products, the washing. But just doing one plait took me really no time, a minute and a few seconds per plait. So 5 minutes overall to do my whole head, 4 plaits. I mean, we could have done more, but we wanted it quick and easy. This is great for kids, honestly. School runs or protective styles when you just have had enough and you need to do a quick plait. I did find that as I was plaiting my hair, as I was going down the plait, I have to brush it again, as you can see, to detangle. My curls just love to be tangled at the moment. The detangling process starts from when I'm washing it, to when I'm styling, to when I'm deep conditioning. It's just a constant rigmarole of detangling all the time. But I must say you must do that, because then the plait will come out neater. If you have tangles, then it looks rough. It doesn't look as polished as it could. I'd even say this Shine and Jam is great for laying edges. My edges were just laid perfectly. Does feel like sort of like a Vaseline kind of consistency. That's what this product feels like, which is very good for edges. There you go, I'm on my last plait. I have left little sort of baby hairs at the back. Oh, I started again. I wanted to put it in the plait. I did find, I don't know why, the baby hairs right at the back of my head didn't want to be in the plait, but I redid it again, as you can see, and it worked out all fine. The final product is coming to fruition. If you want to know what brush I used as well, it's the normal Tangle Teaser. I have a video where I showed you how I did a wash and go with this detangle brush, and this brush has saved me so much time. It's very good for detangling. I didn't plait my hair all the way to the ends of the hair because no one's got time to be loosening like very small plaits. So what I did was just did a little curl at the bottom to make it look like a natural curl at the bottom of the plait. You can see I'm so self-conscious about the bit that's fallen out. But there you go, that's the end product. I was very happy. My hair just needs a break. Tell me what you think. What protective hairstyles do you do? And stay tuned for my next video. After this, I loosen it to show you what it looks like, so you can have, you know, a style after this. It can last longer than just these plaits. Thanks for watching Curls by Sharlene. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Like this video. I want to know what you think. Leave a comment. I know, that back. don't even come for me with the parting, but the front looks fine. Like, I can't see the back. It's just you or whoever else is behind me. Never mind, hey. Thanks for watching Curls by Sharlene, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.